doing a bit of wheel cleaning today and a bit of a clean inside the car. Hoping to make it to the Citroen X Rally at the weekend. That's a little Horwood. Hopefully I'll be there Sunday. Can't make the Saturday. Swear by these, by the way. These are brilliant for doing your wheels. If you want to clean your wheels, get these woolies. They go through here. You just give them a twist. Cleans them up nice. And then you've got the different sizes in there. Getting the smaller gaps. Really good, these. Also using a bit of AutoGlym. So yeah, just a quick video of what I'm doing today, just a bit of a clean up. And hopefully she should be clean and ready for Sunday. Let's hope it doesn't rain, but you can guarantee now it will. But there's one job that really needs doing. It's already been patched up once, but I'm going to get it done properly this time. Anyway, I thought I'd just give a quick catch up. I am doing things. You probably noticed at the beginning I fell over. That's how bad things are. Anyway, see you around. Thanks for watching. Bye.